Welcome back to our Andreessen Hauser Data Manager series. In the last episode, we learned how to set up and use the limit function of our data managers. Today, we'll show you how to export your measured data directly from the RSG. To export data to a flash drive, start by inserting an SD card or USB flash drive into the RSG. Navigate to the menu, go to Operation and select your flash drive from the list. Then choose Save Measured Value. You'll have two options for the data format. The protected format, which can be read in FDM, Field Data Manager, or the CSV format, which is compatible with various spreadsheet applications. After selecting the time frame for the data you want to export, confirm your selection and you're all set. Apart from that, the measurement data gets saved onto an SD card once a day, if the SD card is plugged in. If you prefer to export data without using an external flash drive, you can read the measured data directly in FDM. For detailed instructions, please watch the corresponding video in our FDM series.